Much for staying on with us on Morning Mantra.
Well, of course, yesterday we witnessed a surprise rally for the equity markets who went on to end at the day's high, surpassing the 5850 level, with IT seeing a lot of resilience. Let's find out if the strength is here to stay. Vijay Bhambwani, author and CEO at BSPL India, now joins in on the show. Thanks very much, Vijay, for being with us this morning. What's your outlook on the Nifty?
Where the market outlook is concerned, we've seen a couple of days of a smart upthrust on the benchmark indices, which might just meet with some amount of profit-taking pressure because of the weekend considerations. And the Nifty has basically seen a rally in the latter half of the segment yesterday, but the volumes have been less than convincing. There is also the 20-day moving average resistance, which will basically cap the upsides. And as far as the pivot levels are concerned, the Nifty spot will have a bullish pivot of 5,850 levels, above which the primary target will be a 59.10 and a secondary target of 59.25. On the other hand, the bearish pivot for the session will be at 58.30, below which the primary target will be 58.15 and a secondary target will be 58.00.
Vijay, what are the key levels then you're monitoring on the Bank Nifty for today?
Where the Bank Nifty is concerned, the bullish pivot for the Bank Nifty spot is at 11,925, above which the primary target will be 12,075 and a secondary target will be 12,125. On the other hand, the bearish pivot is at 11,875, below which the primary target will be 11,800 and a secondary target of 11,725.
And what would be the two equity trading ideas that you would advise?
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to short Reliance Communications at 64.25 in the cash segment. I would hold these short positions with a stop loss at 65.25, and I would expect to book profits at 62 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy in Hero MotoCorp for the huge amount of buying interest that was witnessed yesterday, which I expect to trickle down to today. But I would wait for slight pullbacks to the 1700 levels before buying in the cash segment. I would hold these long positions with a stop loss at 1685 and expect to book profits at 1735 or into the session, whichever comes first.
And what about the Nifty futures for today?
In the futures space, I would wait for upthrust in the Nifty March futures to the 5,925 levels, where I would initiate shorts. Unless these levels are seen, the trade is not initiated and therefore can be safely avoided. If at all you do get to initiate shorts at 5,925, the same will be held with a stop loss at 5,955. And the target will be at 58.70 or end of the session, whichever comes first.